If you are looking for a set of squeeze clamps, look no further than these. Jorgensen has been making clamps and other fastening devices and tools for a long time. These are a very high quality product. I've been using a lot of their clamps for a long time and I really like them. These here, I call these helping hands. You know, you can't clamp as much as you can with a screw clamp, but boy, these things have a pretty good amount of force on them. You can really clamp stuff down very, very good. I like how they have this quick release trigger right here. You pull this trigger and boom, slides nice and easy. Let it go and it's locked in, and then you can squeeze it up with just that there. Now if you're trying to clamp something down, let's say I want to clamp this down to the bench, you also can just slide it as well. And you got that clamped down, and I'm going to move the whole bench before I move these boards. These things are on there to stay. So a very good set for sure. And then when you're ready to release, just push that release button and it releases. Now I can even just clamp these two pieces together if I want. And again, that's also going to do the same thing. You can really clamp these guys down really, really good. And now those are in there. They won't, I can't even spin them just separate from each other. And you can see how hard those are staying on there. So these clamps are super strong. They hold really well. This is a 2-pack. I've used these for quite a few different things, but you can see here, it does not want to come loose, which is good. I did finally get it to move a little bit, but you can see how hard I'm pounding on it. So definitely a great clamp for sure. Now, not only are they used to clamp things like that, these things are also very convenient for spreading stuff. You just push on this button right here. Remove that, bring it to the other end, slide it on, bring it back, and now you have a spreader bar. You can put this between two things, and as you squeeze it, you see it's going to spread things apart. So a very versatile set of clamps. These guys really make a good product. I really like these a lot. Now let me show you one other thing these things can do that a lot of clamps cannot do. You take these, flip them over like so. Put them back on. Now you can attach these two clamps together just by sliding them together just like that. And now you have a much, much bigger clamp that you can clamp stuff together on. So if you're trying to do big, wide clamps, now you have this whole space here that you can clamp together and clamp something in here. A feature that most clamps do not have. So another really, really cool feature that these things can do that other clamps just can't. Now they were nice enough to send these out to me so I could do a review on them, and I really appreciate it. They make it just a great quality product, and this way I was able to show you a little bit about them, and hopefully this will help you decide whether these are right for you. But like I said, this company's been around a long time. These are not cheap clamps. These are good quality clamps, nice big ones too. So depending on what you're trying to do, this clamp set might be just perfect for you. So hopefully you check them out. But with this video here, hopefully it gave you a little bit about them and you can decide if they're right for you. And again, these guys are really nice enough to send them out so I could unbox them and show you what you're going to get if you click that order button. But these things get 2 thumbs up from me very, very easily.